something like this. It's still a system, but now it's in standard form, right? So I'm going to give you this equation, 2x plus 3y equals 6, and negative 2x minus 6y equals 12. Now, if you notice here, you have a 2x and you have a negative 2x. Since this is called the addition method, if you add these, 2 plus negative 2, that will actually give you 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of add these. I'm going to cancel the 2's, and then I'm going to have the y's and the numbers by themselves. But I'm going to do the addition method on the y's and on the numbers as well. So what I'm going to do, they have to line up though. The x's have to line up, the y's have to line up, and the numbers have to line up. So then I have 3 plus negative 6 is actually negative 3 because you're subtracting. 6 plus 12 is 18. And now you can solve for y because you got rid of the x's. Remember, you can only solve an equation, one equation, if you have one letter. So I'm going to go ahead and divide here. And then I'm going to say, okay, negative 3 divided by negative 3, that's a y, is equals to 18 divided by negative 3, that's a negative 6. Now, this is not my full answer. Remember that when you have two lines, the crossing point is an x value and a y value. So I have found my y value, which is negative 6, but I need to find my x value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of the equations that I already have from the very beginning, and I'm going to plug in my negative 6 in there. So I'm going to plug it in. Once I plug it in, I'm going to say, okay, 3 times negative 6, that's negative 18. And then I have 2x minus 18 is equals to 6. So I'm going to go ahead and solve for the x. I'm going to add 18. I'm going to add 18. 18 plus 6 is 18 plus 6 is 24. I'm going to bring down that 2x, and then I'm going to go ahead and divide by 2. So x is equals to 12. So I have found my x and I have found my y. Remember that for a crossing point, you need 2 points, which in this case is 12 and negative 6. So your answer is 12, negative 6. Okay? Is everybody good so far? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.